हॅलो.
हा आशिष.
स्क्रीन दिसत आहे का सर?
हा, दिसते. युअर स्क्रीन इज विजिबल नाव.
ओके सर. So shall I start, sir?
Yes, no problem. Start, please.
Hello everyone. Welcome you all to my seminar presentation. Myself Ashish Sudarshan Bharti, and today I am going to give a seminar on the topic characteristics of research submitted to Research Center, Department of Botany, Science College, Nanded. And I am giving this seminar under the guidance of Dr. V.R. Marathi sir. He is working as an associate professor and research convener at Department of Botany, Science College, Nanded. And also he is my research guide. So let's start. So before going towards characteristics of research, firstly we need to know what is research or what is the meaning of research. So let's see what is research. So what is research? Research is a process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting information to answer questions. That means research is a process where we collect data, information and questionnaires, and then we analyze it and interpret information for what to answer questions. In simple way, we can say that research is a detailed and careful study of something to find out more information about it. I hope you all understand what is research. Now let's move on to our main topic of today's seminar, that is characteristics or features of good research. That means features of good research which is undertaken by a researcher while doing or while go for a research. So there are many characters. So the first character of the research, that is empirical research. So what is mean by empirical? Research is based on direct experience or observations by the researcher. So basically, empirical research means the research based on our own experiences. That means or our own observations. So whenever we want to go for a research by using our own experience, that sort of research is known as empirical research. Let me explain you with an example. The pharmaceutical companies. The pharmaceutical companies use empirical research to try out specific drug on control group or random group for what to study the effect and causes of the drug. So, as far as this empirical research concern, it is nothing but what it is directly based on experience of researcher or observations made by the researcher at the time of doing research. So, this kind of quality of a researcher is nothing but empirical research. That is the first character or the feature of good research. Now, let's move on to the second character, that is logical research. So what is logical means whenever you want to undertake a research, that should be logical, as simple as that. That means you have to apply a logic in the field of your research. If logic is not there in the research, then we cannot say that the research is good. So as far as logical research concerned, it is totally based on valid procedure and principles. That is the second character or the feature of research. I hope you all understand. Let's move on to the third character, that is cyclical. So, what is meant by cyclical? Cyclical means what it should be a cycle. So, the question is how that cycle starts. The cycle starts with a problem of a research. So, the problem of research means what is the main cause, and because of that cause, you people have adopted or undertaken that particular research. So, in simple way, so that the problem is a cause or a reason to undertake the research. And whenever we come with a solution of a particular problem, that particular problem or solution of the particular problem is nothing but the cycle is over. So, if you want to go for a research, we need to follow that cycle of research. In simple way, we can say that cyclical means the research start with a problem and end with a solution, and the cycle goes on. That is the third character of research. Now let's move on to the fourth character, that is analytical research. So analytical research means research utilized or proven analytically procedures in gathering data, whether historical, descriptive, experimental, and case study. So friends, analytical research means whenever you want to go for a research, analysis is must. That means whatever we collect data, information, questionnaires, different things. That data is collected. That should be use some procedures and principles. So whenever that information is collected, that should be analyzed. This type of analyzing is nothing but analytical research. In simple way, whenever we go for research, the data we collected, that should be analyzed first. That is the fourth character of the research. Let's move on to the fifth character. The fifth character of research, that is critical. So critical means whenever or whatever research we are doing, that should be little bit critical. It should have some statements, some precise judgments. So the critics is also important in term of research. So whatever you are doing as a part of research, that should be critical in nature. In simple way, the research is critical conducted because it allows researcher to evaluate the quality and the validity of the research studies. That why criticals are important in research. That is the fifth character of the research. Now let's move on to the sixth character, that is methodological. Research is conducted in a methodological manner without biasness, using systematic method and procedures. So methodological means whatever you want to or whenever you want to go for a research, methodology is expected. That means we have to do according to methodology. So in this character of research, there are methodologies we need to follow. That means whenever you collect data or analyze it, that should have some methods. That is the sixth character of research. Let's move on towards the seventh character, that is replicability. Research design and procedures are repeated to enable the researcher to arrive at valid and conclusive result. That means uh, whatever you do as a part of research or whatever method you follow, those should be adopted, those should be replicated in your research. That means what the method or collection data, that all should be replicated in your research. This kind of quality of research is nothing but replicability. That is the seventh character or a feature of a good research. Now let's move on to the eighth character, that is problem solving. Research seeks to address specific questions, problems, or gap in knowledge to contribute to understanding knowledge in a particular field. That means in research there are gaps present in knowledge. To contribute or to fill that gap, we need to solve the problems. So the problem solving character is totally focused on analyzing and solving social and real life problems. That is the eighth character and the last one. So if anybody have any query or question, please ask. Hello.
Participants are requested to ask any question.
If anybody have any query or any question regarding my seminar, please ask. Sir, I think there is
Anybody?
no question.
Nice presentation, Ashish.
Thank you, sir.
Ashish,
Yes, sir.
please give your first slide now. Show your
Okay.
first slide. So you have presented your characteristic of research.
Yes, sir.
There are a certain type of characteristic of research.
Yes, sir.
So which one is the better?
Sir, I think empirical one,
Why?
because it is totally depend on our own experience or our own observations. That
Other
we don't follow certain theory that is matlab, whenever we go for research, we experience or observations are must. I think the empirical one is the must character while doing research.
and others.
Others are also important,
So first one is the logical or empirical research is important now.
Empirical means I think that experience or observations are must. Firstly,
Okay, no problem. You are nice presentation now. So
thank you, sir.
you can close now your presentation.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So who is prepare? Next participant.
Yes, sir. I'm Koli Shikhar.
Shital Kole. Okay, no
Yes.
problem. So please share your presentation now.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I'm visible.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon to all. Today I'm presenting a seminar on topic hypothesis and its types. Myself, Koli Shikhar. First of all, what is hypothesis? Hypothesis is nothing but the explain and set out the variables to be studied. Hypothesis is a statement of expectations that will be tested by the researchers. It's an idea that is proposed for sake of an argument so that it can be tested to see if it is might to be true. It is a statement made to reflect relation between the two variables. Means hypothesis considered as an intelligent guess or predications that gives a directional to the researcher to answer the questions. It is a tentative answer of a researcher to their questions. And it is hypothesis shows the relation between the variables. What is the variables? Variables are it's an object, event, idea, feeling, or time period, or other any category we have to measure. Means variables are measurable. There are two types of variables. First one is the independent variable, and second one is the dependent variable. Independent variable is nothing but the is called as cause or reason behind the any effect, and dependent variable is the measurable to see if changes as a result of manipulation of an independent variable. Independent variable is a factor in the experiment that researcher intentionally manipulate or changes to observe its effects. Means independent variable is the factor which changes the experiment's result, and it considered as a cause or reason for the observed effect. And next one is the dependent variable. The dependent variable is what is the researcher measure to see if it changes as a result of manipulation of independent variable. Means the change in the dependent variable is depend on the variation in the independent variables. Means the total change in the dependent variable is directly depend on the variations in the independent variable. For example, the water changes the plant height. Suppose we give the water to the plant height is increases, and suppose we have not given to that plant, the plant height is decreases or remains same. It means the water is the independent variable and the plant height is the dependent variable. Means the plant height is depend on the water. For example, effect of microplastic on fish growth. The in aquatic plants, in aquatic life, the microplastics are eaten by the fish or any other aquatic animals. The microplastic affects their health, growth rate, or their maturity rate. And in that, the microplastic is the independent variable and fish growth is the dependent variable. Means the microplastic effects on the fish growth. And next one, the types of hypothesis. There are 6 types of hypothesis. First one is the simple hypothesis, and second one is the complex hypothesis. Third one is the empirical hypothesis. Fourth one is the null hypothesis. Fifth one is the alternative hypothesis, and sixth one is the causal hypothesis. Now we see the simple hypothesis. Simple hypothesis means the simple hypothesis shows the relation between the one independent variable and single dependent variable. Means in that hypothesis only one independent variable and only one dependent variable. Means both are dependent on each other. For example, we adding a starter to the milk. The starter changes the milk to curd. Means the starter is the independent variable and milk is the dependent variable. The starter changes the all activities of that milk. Next one is the complex hypothesis. The complex hypothesis shows the relation between the two or more independent variables and two or more dependent variables. Means that in that hypothesis more than two or more dependent or independent variables. For example, if we eating more vegetables and fruits, it leads to weight loss, glowing skin, and reduces heart diseases. Means here is two independent variables. First one is the vegetable and second one is the fruits, and there is more than two dependent variables. First is my weight loss, glowing skin, reduces heart diseases, like that. Means here vegetables and fruits changes the body, changing shows the results. Third one is the empirical hypothesis. Empirical hypothesis means impact of only one independent variable on many dependent variables at the same time. For example, if we give a corona vaccine to children, old people, adults, and pregnant women, it shows the same effect on all these. Means there is no difference in the effect on children, old people's, adults, and pregnant women. Fourth one is the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is denoted by H0, the impact of single independent variable on two dependent variables of a same species. Means there is a single independent variable and it shows the same effect on both dependent variables. Means there is no difference in the effect on both species. There is no null hypothesis. For example, if we give alcohol to male and female, both have same effect on both have same effect. Means their activities, expressions, and their literature's type, it changes. Fifth one is the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is denoted by H1. If the null hypothesis is just opposite to the null hypothesis. If hypothesis is rejected and accept the true condition after the experiment. Suppose the null hypothesis is rejected. We are not satisfied about null hypothesis. Then we go to the experiment and whatever the result we have got, we have to accept. That is the alternative hypothesis. For example, suppose we give a corona vaccine to the any person and which shows the result, but we are not satisfied about that. We are working on that, and suppose any other change will occur, we have to accept that. And sixth one is the causal hypothesis. Causal hypothesis is a predication that one variable can cause a particular outcome or event. Causal research is aimed at identifying causal relationships among the variables. Means, so it shows the accidental. After accident, who is responsible for that. Means any evidence is happen, then what is the reason behind that evidence we find. Suppose one company is there, it is in loss, then why it is in loss, we have to find that. That is, at that time we have to use casual hypothesis. Thank you, sir.
From audience,
Okay, sir.
so madam, you have to present your hypothesis and type of hypothesis.
Yes,
You
sir.
also explain dependent variable, independent variable. Suppose
Yes.
y is equal to f of x, which is the dependent or which is the independent variable?
What, sir? What, sir? What is the question?
Y is equal to f of x.
Y is equal to f of x.
Which one is the dependent or other is the independent?
Sir, f is the independent variable and x is the dependent variable.
Because you have to explain more examples in your presentation. F is the function, madam.
Yes, sir.
Because this is the general expression function y is equal to f of x. You are from botany?
No, sir. I'm from zoology.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
you can explain null hypothesis and H1.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What is the difference between H1 null hypothesis and H1 hypothesis?
Okay. Null hypothesis means there is the same effect on both categories if with of same species, and whatever the effect on both species, this is the similar. And the H1 means the alternative effect, alternative hypothesis. And there is if the null hypothesis is rejected, means the same effect, same result is rejected, then
Okay.
we are not satisfied. Then
If a hypothesis will be if a hypothesis will be rejected, then what will be proceed for the further research?
sir, we are not satisfied, then we are going to next research, and by testing we declare another result, and whatever the result may be, we have to accept.
Okay, okay. And what is the percentage between percentage difference between agree for hypothesis H1 and null hypothesis?
No, sir, I have no idea about that.
Okay, okay. You studied the chi-square test or no?
No, sir, no, sir.
Okay, okay, ठीक है, no problem.
Okay, sir.
So
Nice
nice presentation.
Okay, sir.
Next, who one is? Next, who is ready for presentation? Kadam Krishna, are you ready? Pavle Hanmant, Pavde Uttam,
Yes, sir, yes.
who one? Okay. Please share your screen and start your presentation. Your screen is not visible. Hanmant Paule.
Okay, okay. Please share your screen. Screen is not visible.
Hello.
Manth, are you ready? सर ते मला स्क्रीन शेअर करता येत नाही ते
तुला होस्ट केलंय मोबाईलवर लास्टला जातो मोर मध्ये किंवा तिथं शेअर म्हणून ऑप्शन येईल बघ.
नाही मीटिंग शिटिंग आहे सिक्युरिटी म्हणून काय
अरे तिथं तुला ते सिम्बॉल दिसतात ना रिॲक्शनच्या साईडला एक शेअर म्हणून ऑप्शन आहे पहा.
हो ते sorry.
हा तिथं कर शेअर म्हणून क्लिक कर त्याला.
तर 2 मिनिटांनंतर घेतो मोबाईल हँग पडत
येस काय म्हणतोय.
मोबाईल हँग पडत आहे 2 मिनिटाला
ओके ओके नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपंट नेक्स्ट कोण रेडी आहे.
Sir, I am ready.
नेम.
Biabani Monibuddin.
ओके 1 minute.
Yes, Biabani.
You
Yes,
share
sir.
your screen. You share your
Okay.
screen and start your presentation.
Okay, sir.
19 number.
Sir, is audible?
It not visible, huh?
Not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible.
Okay, sir. Wait.
Biabani, it is visible.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
visible.
Yes.
Okay, sir. My name is Biabani Monibuddin, and I am doing PhD from SRT University, and my research center is Science College, Nanded. Thank you, Nanded sir, and for this giving me this opportunity. And my PPT is on external parts of the fish. This fish is canary rockfish, is present in western Gulf of Alaska, and this fish is not present in Maharashtra and in India, and this fish is present in Gulf of Alaska. Gulf of Alaska is near approximately near Canada. Okay, about fish. All fishes are aquatic in nature, or all fish are aquatic animals, and fish breathe in underwater through their gills. The point you can note, fish आपल्या नाकाने नॉस्ट्रिलच्या साहाय्याने ते श्वास घेत नाही. इन अदर वर्ड्स, इन इंग्लिश, फिश इन अंडर वॉटर थ्रू देअर गिल्स, त्यांनी आपल्या गालांच्या साहाय्याने श्वसन करतात किंवा श्वास घेतात. इन द वर्ल्ड देर आर अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 33,000 species in the world, and 2,000 species present in India. 3,000 species, 300 species present in Maharashtra. And external part of the fish, I will tell you about external part of the fish. This is a part of fish is mouth, and the shape of the shape size of the fish mouth can vary greatly based on its diet. Some fish have small mouth for feeding on tiny prey, while others have large mouth for capturing large prey. काही माशांचे माउथ जे आहेत काही मोठे असतात किंवा कुणा माशांचे माउथ छोटे असतात, कारण की because for feeding on tiny prey, while other having large mouth for capturing large prey. And gills, there are gills. This is a gills which helps of breathing. याच्या सहाय्याने ते ब्रीथिंग करतात. आणि in next slide is this wait. Oh yes, is a lateral line. Lateral line is the sensory organ of fish. In other words, the lateral line is a sensory organ running along the side of the fish. It detects changes in the water pressure and helps the fish sense movement and vibrations in the water. आणि हे फिश आहे ना, हे डायरेक्शन कोणत्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये जायचं आहे आपल्याला, किंवा इन इंग्लिश दे डिसाइड which side is safe for this fish. Okay, and this is as I will show you in 3D pictures of fish. Okay, this is a pectoral fin, and this is a dorsal fin, and this is a pelvic fin, and this is a caudal fin. Okay, fins have several types of fish are several types of fins, each serving a different purpose. These include fins on the back. याच्या बॅक साइडला पण आहे, म्हणजे याचा फिशच्या सराउंडिंग मध्ये खूप असे म्हणजे टाइप्स ऑफ फिन्स आहेत. आणि जसं की तुम्ही ॲज यू कॅन सी दिस part of the fish. One second. Okay, this part of fish is eyes. This part is part of mouth and nostril. Next part is gills. Okay, gills have fish have gills usually located behind a bony or cartilaginous plate called the operculum. Gills are responsible for extracting oxygen from water and expelling carbon dioxide. गिल्स जे आहेत ते श्वास घेतात, म्हणजे फिश गिल्सच्या मदतीने श्वास घेते. अँड इन फिन्स, okay, thank you for this give me for this opportunity. Thank you, sir. And my presentation is first time, and I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Biyabani,
Yes, sir.
are you understand Marathi?
Yes, sir. Marathi. Yes, sir.
मला एक विचारायचं आहे, म्हणजे मला काय, आता मी मॅथमॅटिक्सचा माणूस आहे.
अच्छा.
फिशला ब्लड ग्रुप असतो का?
हो सर. नाही, एक मिनिट
कोणकोणते
सर.
ब्लड?
नो सर. नो सर. आय थिंक नो.
मला माहित नाही बरं, मी माझा विषय नाही येतो, पण फिशला ब्लड ग्रुप असतो की नाही, तर मी वाचलंय कुठेतरी ब्लड ग्रुप असतो. आता तुझं फिशरी का झुलॉजी?
माझं सर झुलॉजी आहे.
मला वाटलं ब्लड ग्रुप असेल तर मग त्याचं जे ब्लड आहे ते आपल्याला देता येतं का माणसाला सुद्धा वगैरे घ्यायचं
नाही
असतं?
सर. नाही सर. त्याच्यामध्ये सर कसं आहे, असा सर सुटेबल असतं सर त्याची, म्हणजे एक अक्वॅटिक अॅनिमल आहे ते, आणि
हा.
जर आपण घेत असलो तर आपल्यासाठी हार्मफुल आहे सर ते.
पण मग त्याला ब्लड ग्रुप असतो का? फिशच्या ब्लड ग्रुप असतात का? म्हणजे मला असं विचारायचं, जर फिश वेगवेगळे असेल, जसं ह्युमन बॉडीमध्ये आहे आपल्याला ओ पॉझिटिव्ह, ए पॉझिटिव्ह, तसं त्याचं काय आहे का कॅरेक्टरायझेशन किंवा स्पेशलायझेशन ब्लड ग्रुपचे वगैरे फिशसाठी? वाचला असेल तर विचार.
सर आय थिंक मी पण सर न्यूजपेपर मध्ये वाचलं होतं मी. 12th काय असतील सर, 12, 13 आय थिंक.
हो का? ठीक आहे, चालेल, काय अडचण नाही.
सर
नाईस प्रेझेंटेशन.
सर ये फर्स्ट टाइम थी मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन पीपीटी.
हाँ हाँ, नहीं वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे भी नहीं, मेरा भी सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स है, इंजीनियरिंग रिलेटेड.
ओके सर.
Biyabani,
यस सर.
how many bones are present in fish?
सर अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 20 to 30 cartilaginous
20
fish.
to 30.
Yes.
In which type of fish? Or any fish?
Sir, very types of fish, because some made from cartilaginous fish and some of खूप टाइपचे फिश आहेत. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये फायसेस मध्ये खूप टाइप्स आहे. जसं की आता एक कटला आहे, कॅटलामध्ये सर ही एक म्हणजे अप्रॉक्सिमेटली एक्झॅक्ट सांगू शकत नाही आपण याच्यामध्ये.
म्हणजे फिश नुसार चेंज होतील प्रत्येक फिश नुसार.
येस सर. येस सर.
ओके ओके. आणि हा फिश आपल्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये नाही का भेटत?
सर हे आय थिंक हे सॅल्मॉन फिश आहे. याला आपण एक लोकल लँग्वेज मध्ये टांगरा काय असं म्हणतो सर. टांगरा काय, बेकडी नाही सर, काहीतरी म्हणतो सर याला कॉमन लँग्वेज मध्ये.
हो, पण मग हा महाराष्ट्रामध्ये नाही का भेटत असं माझं म्हणणं आहे.
हे भेटते सर, हे भेटते.
हा, कोणत्या साईडला?
सर गोदावरी रिव्हर.
गोदावरीमध्ये भेटतोय.
येस सर.
गोदावरी रिव्हर मध्ये असे किती टाईपचे फिश आहेत आपल्याकडे तरी सध्या अवेलेबल?
सर फक्त मी सर्च केलं सर इकडं साईट पर, तकरीबन सर अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 4 ते 5 टाइप. कटला, टेंगरा आणि बेकडी हे लाइक कॉमन लँग्वेज सर. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये आपण असं म्हणू शकतो सर सॅल्मॉन फिश. फिर उसमें सर त्यांची लँग्वेज सर त्यांची वेगळी आहे. म्हणजे आपण जर विचारलं ना सर हे फिश आहे का सॅल्मॉन फिश, ते म्हणतात कोणती फिश मला माहित नाही. तर अप्रॉक्सिमेटली सर 6 ते 5 टाइप आहेत. कटला आहे, डॉग फिश आहे, आणि त्याला एक फिशचं नाव आहे मरल ती पण आहे. मरळ.
मग आपल्याला खाण्यासाठी कोणता फिश चांगला असतो?
सर कॅन यू रिपीट वन्स अगेन?
आपल्याला खाण्यासाठी कोणता फिश चांगला असतो? प्रोटीन किंवा हे ज्याच्यात काही असतं?
सर फिश कोणती पण चालेल, पण फ्रेश वॉटर फिश असायला पाहिजे.
फ्रेश वॉटर असायला पाहिजे.
येस.
ठीक आहे, नाईस प्रेझेंटेशन. थँक्यू
सर.
मियाबानी.
येस सर.
सर तुम्ही विचारा मराठी सर, मला आता जास्त माहित नाही लाईफ सायन्स.
नाही यांनी सांगितलं की सो मरीन वॉटर फिशेस आर नॉट eatable.
Sir, it's eatable.
No, you have said that only freshwater fishes are eatable. That's why I'm asking.
Sir, because nowadays we will or person is using plastic and like garbage bag and threw in river or seas, because गार्बेज बॅगच्या प्रॉब्लेमने किंवा पोल्यूट होतोय वॉटर आणि अदरवाईज नंतर आपण तो फिश खातो पोल्युटेड वॉटरचा. आय थिंक तो
Headphone
खूप
द्यावा लागतो.
हार्मफुल आहे. म्हणजे मराईनचा खाऊ शकतो, पण मग ते सर आता करंट मध्ये अंधश्रद्धा अशी चालली की
what is the significance of that polluted water with relation to marine and with relation to the fresh water? Fresh water is more polluted than the marine water. Then how you can say that this fish is not suitable?
Sir, less than in fresh water, less pollution. In marine or sea water is
Who told that? Most of the polluted water or pollution which is related to the water, it is only the fresh water.
Fresh water. Yes. No
Marine water
in
is
marine
very
water.
less. Huh?
sir, but in MIDC area, I
No,
visit
you
this
take
site.
any example of a fresh water. Most of the fresh water bodies are polluted as compared to the marine water.
Sir, no idea.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So you have given very nice presentation.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Who is next one?
Hello, may I, sir?
Yes. What's your name?
Sumit Bidwai, sir.
Sumit. Okay, Sumit. Please share your screen. Start your presentation.
So can you make that option visible? I'm not able to see that option.
एक काम कर ना, खाली बघ तो स्लाइडचे तिथे शेअर म्हणून आहे बघ एक. ते काय करायचं, मोबाईल असेल तुझ्याकडे ना तर थोडी स्क्रोल इकडे करशील लेफ्ट साइडला.
Just a second.
तिथे एक शेअर ऑप्शन येते, तिथून काय करायचं, तुझी तिथे जी फाईल असेल ती तिथून ओपन करायची.
एक मिनिट. सर हे एक मिनिट सांगा ना, म्हणजे शेअरचं ह्याच्यात स्क्रोल केल्यावर दिसत नाहीये.
तू काय कर, सगळ्यात खाली स्लाइडला जे आहेत ना लेफ्ट हँड साइड इकडे असं हे कर थोडं.
नाही, ते माझ्यासोबत सर आहेत, त्यांना म्हणत होतो सर हे शेअरचा. एक
सुमित,
हा सर.
स्क्रीनवर टॅप कर. खाली ऑप्शन्स येतात वेगवेगळे.
हा एक मिनिट.
त्यामध्ये शेअर ऑप्शन असेल.
सांगा
शेअर स्क्रीन.
हे स्क्रोल केल्यावर आहे ना इथं येत नाहीये. स्टार्ट व्हिडिओ न्यू दिसतंय. सर एक मिनिट, दुसऱ्या डिव्हाइसवरून पाहतो.
ओके.
हु इज नेक्स्ट? आणखी कोण आहे रेडी? चला तो त्याचं होईपर्यंत. येस,
मंगेश कदम सर.
ओके मंगेश, प्लीज शेअर युअर स्क्रीन.
येस सर. एकच मिनिट. सर स्क्रीन विजिबल? हॅलो?
नो.
Sir, now visible, sir?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
So myself, Mangesh Kadam. Today's my topic is types of research. So the types of research can be classified from three perspectives. So first one is application of the research study. Second one is objective in understanding the research, and third one is inquiry mode employed. So types of research from the perspective of application, objectives, and inquiry mode. So in the applications, there are two types. First one is pure research, and second one is applied research. So pure research is also known as fundamental research or basic research. So it is driven by curiosity and the desire to expand knowledge in the specific research area. So does not usually generate findings that have immediate applications in practical level. But fundamental research is driven by curiosity and the desire to expand knowledge in a specific research area. So this type of research makes a specific contribution to the academic body of knowledge in the research area. So the fundamental research studied to make generalization about the phenomenon and the and the philosophy of this type of studies can be explained as gathering knowledge for the sake of knowledge. So fundamental research mainly aim to answer the questions of why and what, or how, and they tend to contribute the pool of fundamental knowledge in the research area. So example of fundamental research is critical analysis of product placement as an effective marketing strategy, or an investigation into the main elements of brands and branding. So and second one is applied research. So applied research is a non-systematic way of finding solutions to research problem or issues. It is the opposite to fundamental research. Applied research is opposite to the fundamental research. So there are three types: evaluation of research, research and development, and action research. Then descriptive research, exploratory research, then correlational research, explanatory research, then predictive research, and action research. And in the types of inquiry mode, there are two types. One is quantitative research, and another one is qualitative research. So in the quantitative research involving collecting and analyzing data. So it is idea for identifying trends and averages, or marketing predictions, testing relationships, and generalizing results for large population. So quantitative research method is widely used in natural and social sciences, so such as biology, chemistry, psychology, economics, or marketing. So means it is represented by tables. It is represented by tables and charts, graphs, or any other non-numerical form. So this research is quantitative research. Then second one type is qualitative research. So qualitative research is used to gain an understanding of human behavior, or intentions, attitudes, experience, or etc. It is based on the observations and interpretation of people. So is defined as market research method. So means qualitative research is defined as the market research method, so that focus on the obtaining data through open-ended and conversational communication. So then, so this is the so in objectives, so descriptive research. So in descriptive research includes the surveys and fact finding inquiries. So means different kinds. So the major purpose of descriptive research is description of the state of affairs. So as it exists at present. So second one is correlational research in objectives. Second one is correlational research. So the correlational research study is to discover or establish the existence of relationship between two or more aspects of situations. So this research is correlation, means relate between the two or more variables. So more than two variables. So this research is correlational. So relate to each other. So then third one objective is explanatory research. So explanatory research attempts of clarify why and how there is a relationship between two aspects of situations of phenomena. So this research is explanatory. So explain why he becomes how. So how possible. So this explanation. So this explanatory research. So then fourth one objective is exploratory research. So this is when a study is undertaken with the objectives either to explore an area where little is known or investigate the possibilities or undertaking of a particular research study. So this research is exploratory research. And in third one is we have discussed the quantitative research and qualitative research. So thank you. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Mangesh,
Sir.
same question.
Sir.
Y equals to the f of x. Which one is dependent variable and which one is independent variable?
Sir, y is dependent and x is independent. Y is
Okay,
a
and
function of x.
Y is the function of x. And you say that the difference between pure research and I think second slide, fundamental research and applied research.
Difference,
So,
sir.
what is the difference between pure research and applied research? And tell me about the current pure research on physics.
So, sir, pure research focuses on understanding basic properties and processes, but applied research focuses on the use of information to create useful materials. So, this is the basic difference between pure research and applied research.
एखादं एक्झाम्पल सांग ना दोघांचं, म्हणजे सोपं जाईल आम्हाला समजायला जरा.
एक्झाम्पल
म्हणजे प्युअर मधलं कसं असतं आणि अप्लाइड रिसर्च कसा असतो फिजिक्स मध्ये.
फिजिक्स मधला एखादा प्युअर रिसर्च सांग आतापर्यंत. ग्रॅव्हिटेशन आणि अप्लाइड रिसर्च. तुझा टॉपिक काय ते सांग मला.
तर अजून सिलेक्ट नाही केला सर
टॉपिक नाही सिलेक्ट केला. बरोबर ठीक आहे चालतं.
ठीक आहे, थँक्यू.
थँक्यू सर.
Any question from audience?
Sir, I am Sheikh Saddam.
Okay. Ask the question.
He's sharing
Sir,
his
I want to ask
PPT.
you the question. I want to share my slides.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you, Mangesh.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Saddam, are you ready to present?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Yes, please share your screens.
Okay, sir. Wait, sir.
Mr. Saddam, please share your screen.
Sir, my file is not. Wait. Okay.
फोन पे टैप करो ना, वहां पे ऑप्शन आएंगे अलग अलग।
हाँ आ रहे सर, आ रहे ऑप्शन। उसमें जो पीपीटी का नहीं आ रहा है सर।
शेयर
वहाँ
स्क्रीन
पे
का आएगा ना,
फाइल
शेयर
ला
स्क्रीन।
डॉक्युमेंट ला शेअर करो सर. सदाम
हाँ
सर
सर,
डॉक्युमेंट
हा डॉक्युमेंटलाही केलं सर, डॉक्युमेंटलाही केलं. एक मिनिट हा, ते व्हॉट्सअपला आहे.
नहीं, उसको डाउनलोड करो ना एक बार, आपके फोन में उसको डाउनलोड करो और वो ओपन करके रखो, फिर वो आएगा ऑप्शन डायरेक्ट।
अच्छा ओके ओके सर.
सर यांचं होत नसेल तर आय एम रेडी टू गिव्ह.
झाले झाले, स्क्रीन शेअर कर रहा हूँ एक मिनट. दिसत आहे का सर?
नाही शेअर नाही झाली अजून. हा
नाही सर, एक मिनिट सर.
हा. नाही तर 1-2 मिनिट थांबताय का, पुढचा घेऊयात.
नाही लास्ट झालंय सर, एक मिनिट. ओके सर, थोडा प्रॉब्लेम होत आहे, थोडा वेळ घेऊ. पुढचे
नेक्स्ट
घ्या
नेक्स्ट
सर.
कोण आहे?
सर आय एम रेडी सर.
ओके स्नेहा,
स्नेहा टोके.
स्नेहा.
हा सर.
ओके, ठीक आहे. प्लीज
please
शेअर
share
युअर
your
स्क्रीन
screen.
अँड स्टार्ट.
Is it visible, sir? Hello.
येस येस येस.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sneha Tamke, and my subject is zoology. I am here to deliver a seminar on.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शेअर स्क्रीन प्रॉपरली.
Okay, sir.
तुम्ही दुसऱ्या विंडो शेअर करताय, प्रेझेंटेशनची विंडो शेअर करा.
नेहा क्या प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
हा सर पीपीडी अपलोड होत नाहीये. म्हणजे मी स्क्रीन शेअर केली होती. आता दिसत आहे का सर?
हा दिसत आहे, ही आहे ना स्क्रीन. हो हो बरोबर आहे ना. ती नाही, आता नाही, आधी होते ना.
सर हे माझं आहे, मी शेअर करू का?
ओके ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम, करा.
हा स्क्रीन दिसत आहे ना सर स्क्रीनवर?
स्क्रीन दिसत आहे पण ते पीपीटी नाही दिसत आहे. हा आता दिसत आहे पीपीटी.
हा सर हे PPT वर म्हणजे सगळं एक सोबत आले. Okay, sir. Good afternoon to all. My name is Sheikh Saddam. I am the one of the research scholar from Science College, Nanded. Today, I want to present my presentation on PPT or how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is a presentation which is used for various industries, schools, colleges to represent their data, to represent their information in various manner, like pictures, like the Word documents, and like other things. So first of all, we have to introduce what is an introduction to the PowerPoint presentation. MS PowerPoint presentation is a program that includes in the Microsoft Office suite. It is also used to make the presentation of personal and professional purpose. That means for if we have our business or in this, if we are doing our research in particular area. So if we plan our research, then our planning will also will share on the PowerPoint presentation. What is the important thing in presentation? The program, this program of PPT is made by a software company known as Courtrout, and the scientists are Robert and Austin. It was released at the 20th April 1987, and after 3 months, Microsoft will acquire this software. The first version of this software is in 1990, known as MS PowerPoint 2.0. It is a presentation-based program that uses various pictures, graphics, text, and other interactive and interesting things. The file extension, if you saved in our computer, then it shows a PPT format. That means PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint presentation comprising the slides and features is also known as PPT. One of the image of PowerPoint presentation or the home window of PowerPoint presentation is as seen on the screen. Here the file tab is there, home tab, insert tab, design, and the rest of the tabs are there. By using very first slide, that is home tab, we insert the slides. If you want more, then we can add it slide by clicking on the insert tab. And if you change the pattern of slide, then by using insert, we take some different slides. And if you want to write something or type something on that, so for that, there is a in insert button for different tabs are there. Arrows, circles, pictures. By using various pictures and documents, we share on the PPT slide. Now, what all the elements can be added in the slide? Which things we can share from the slide? So clip arts, there are different types of art present in the home tab, insert tab. Various also 3D apps are also there, arts are also there. In graphs, if you want to represent our data in the form of mathematics, then we use some graphs, bar graph also there, linear graphs, various types of graphs. And the tables, if you want to share our information or data in tabular form, then we can insert the table in various columns and rows, or we can numbering it also. If you want to represent our data in pictorial form, then we use the various pictures, photographs. And if you share our information in the form of charts, flow charts, then we can insert in the slide flow charts also there. And the media clips also, very short video clips are also we have to insert, and videos are also insert. So this is a very short PPT about the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This is my very first slide when I make. So thank you, sir, for giving me chance this slide. Thank you, sir. All right. Hello, sir.
Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Saddam.
Okay, sir.
Any question from audience? Saddam,
Yes, sir.
how many types of the graph?
Sir, if graph, linear graph, bar graph, double bar graph, and more are graphs, but I can't remember exactly.
And which one is better for research?
Sir, for research, I think so, but I can't learn about linear graph is better for research.
Why?
Because it gives us exact parameters about the coordinates of x and y coordinates.
If you use the linear graph, then what will be done the comparison of two objects?
Sir, if you take the linear graph or line graph, then if the line is starting from origin, then we compare that. If one thing is increases, then another thing is also increases according to the first thing. If a line graph is from upward to the downward direction, then we say that if one thing is increases and another thing is decreases with respect to one another.
Okay, no problem. Next participant.
Okay, thanks.
Next.
सुमित आहे का?
सर मला दे.
Sneha.
हॅलो
सुमित, स्नेहा. ओके,
हॅलो.
पूजा सोनटक्के.
हा सर. हा सर.
Okay, please share your screen.
एक मिनिट. सर शेअर होत नाही. हॅलो.
शेअर झालं होतं ना
बोला
आता?
ना, शेअर करा ना.
शेअर झालं होतं?
नाही
शेअर झाली होती, व्यवस्थित करा.
फिलॉसॉफी अँड इथिक्स काहीतरी टॉपिक होतं ना? शेअर झालं होतं ते. पुन्हा शेअर करा.
हो सर.
सगळे कोरोनामध्ये ऑनलाईन लेक्चर केलेत ना रे तुम्ही?
सर can I start?
Yes, start. Your screen is not visible.
पूजा,
Yes sir.
please share your screen.
Sir just 2 minutes.
करा हनुमंत.
सर आई एम रेडी.
1 मिनट, इस उन्हीं के बात करो आप.
ओके सर.
हाँ, यस.
कर चालू कर.
Myself, Hanuman Yaganapoli. My subject is mathematics. I am going to talk about steps in research process. I'm going to talk about the research process. In this particular session, I'm going to focus on
Pooja ma'am, please mute your mic.
Yes sir, yes.
in this particular session, I'm going to focus on one key aspect that you must know about research. That is the research process. Now, research is going to have at least 8 steps, and we are going to look at each of these 8 steps one by one. And so, the first step in research is formulation of research problem. Now, what is the research problem? Research problem is the thing you would like to research on. What is the question which is there in your mind before you want to carry out research on it. Now this particular area should be your interest. You should be extremely passionate about it. Only then this research will be fruitful. You will be able to give you 100% in carrying out this research. For example, if I am very eager to know what are the possible causes of panic attack, so I should start with this. I should start with this research question. What is the question? What are the possible problem? Only then you can. Only then you can start with the next step. The second step in research process is a review of literature. Now, what is the literature? Literature is the theory which has been written on particular topic. For example, if I want to do research on possible causes of panic attack, I need to read a lot of about panic attack before I can start with my research. So I might need to read 5 to 6 good books written by a great scholar about panic attack, and also I need to look at other researchers and their work and their finding who have either done something in the field of panic attack or who have done some similar kind of research. I will give you a very simple example. Suppose you want to research on Sanjay Leela Bhansali film and its impact on the society. So before you begin with your research, it is important that you have to watch those movies of Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and you have read the reviews of critics and IMDb rating and your reviews of critics about these movies. You are read interviews of Sanjay Leela Bhansali, taking about this movie, and you also read the research papers of other research scholars who have done their research on Sanjay Leela Bhansali and his movies. This entire process of theory, collecting of reading of conceptualizing is taken care in the second step, that is the review of literature. And third step is development of hypothesis. What is hypothesis? This is
this is possible or tentative answer to a question. Question research समजा तुम्ही जर कोणत्याही टॉपिकवर रिसर्च करणार असाल तर तुमच्या अगोदर दिमागामध्ये प्रिकन्सिव्ह रिझल्ट राहील. सपोज आय एम रिसर्चिंग ऑन स्टुडंट, सो माझ्या लक्षात प्रिकन्सिव्ह मोशन असेल आणि जर तुम्ही अभ्यास नाही केला तर तुमचा रिझल्ट चांगला येणार नाही. नाऊ आय एम स्टडिंग द इम्पॅक्ट ऑफ स्टडीज ऑन द टेस्ट रिझल्ट. So if you remember three movie, we never seen in that movie that Amir Khan was ever studying, but he was very observant. He was very practical human, because of which he got the first rank at the exam. So if you look at hypothesis means tentative answer which you are having in your mind before you even start the research. Now this answer can be proven true or false by the end of the research. Now the fourth step in the research process is forming a research design. What is the research design? Research design is the method of conducting research. आपण रिसर्च करतो तेव्हा रिसर्च करण्यासाठी आपली स्ट्रॅटेजी काय असेल त्याला आपण रिसर्च डिझाईन म्हणतो. आय विल गिव्ह यू 2 examples of research and you will automatically understand how two different research design would be used in the first example. First example is, if I want to do research on the impact of sorry, my mobile is ringing now. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
So example, if I want to do research on the impact of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movies on Indian audience, and the second type of research if I want to know how a particular product can enhance the chemical reaction. Now in second case, lab
Aman, screen top झाली.
if I want to know how a particular product can enhance the chemical reaction, now in second case लॅब मध्ये रिसर्च होईल. या म्हणजे दुसऱ्या केसचा इट विल बी एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च. त्यामध्ये मी एक केमिकल मिक्सचर मध्ये डिफरंट कंपाऊंड टाकून बघेल. then I will see what reaction is taking place. On the other hand, संजय लीला भांसाळी च्या मूवीचा इम्पॅक्ट बघण्यासाठी मला पार्टिसिपंट्सला लॅबोरेटरी मध्ये घेऊन जाण्याची गरज नाही. आय एम गोइंग टू ऑब्झर्व देम. ओके, जेव्हा केव्हा संजय लीला भांसाळीची मूवी चालू असेल तेव्हा आय एम गोइंग टू in the theater and sit there and look at the people's reaction and then develop my research. So you can see different research design will be used in different types of research. Now the fifth step in the research process, data collection. डाटा कलेक्शन आपण रिसर्च करतो लोकांवर किंवा कोणत्या वस्तूवर, आणि रिसर्च तेव्हाच व्हॅलिडेट होईल जेव्हा ते जास्त लोकांवर केलेले असतात. आणि एका माणसावर रिसर्च करून तुम्ही जनरलाइज करू शकत नाही पूर्ण जगावर किंवा एका सोसायटीवर. परंतु तुम्ही जर एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर ग्रुपवर रिसर्च करत असाल तर देन यू कॅन डेफिनेटली जनरलाइज इट टू द पब्लिक. मी जर 50 किंवा 500 विद्यार्थ्यांवर रिसर्च करत आहे असेल तर आय एम चेकिंग द impact of stress on the day of exam. I can generalize the result on the entire population. That means on all students. I can say that if this stand true for this 500 student group, then it is going to stand true for all the students across the globe. So data collection is important. Have different students, different participants. Now then data collection करून you assemble them together and then comes them them. Now the next step and sixth step is the data analysis. Data analysis म्हणजे आपण काय करतो, data collect करतो by using the different tools like interview, questionnaire, standardized test, and on the basis of that data which is collect, you are going to analyze that data. So आपण या डाटाला कलेक्ट करून याला आपण एक्सेल मध्ये किंवा कोणत्या सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये टाकून प्रोसेस करून आणि देन यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ आउट कन्क्लुजन. डाटा कलेक्ट केल्यावर त्या डाटाला सिस्टमॅटिकली ऑर्गनाइज करतो आणि अनालाइज करतो. अँड ओनली देन यू कॅन मूव्ह ऑन टू द move on the seventh step, which is drawing conclusion. So seventh step is research process when you analyze the data and on the basis of the analysis you draw conclusions. So this is where you will test your hypothesis. ज्या हायपोथेसिसला आपण घेऊन चाललो होतो ते ट्रू आहे किंवा फॉल्स आहे, किंवा असं पण होऊ शकते की आपल्याला नवीनच काहीतरी भेटेल रिसर्च केल्यावर. आणि आपण जो विचार केला रिसर्च करताना जो आउटपुट येईल त्यापेक्षा काहीतरी आपण अलगच रिझल्ट येईल. ऑन दिस इज द सेव्हन्थ स्टेप विच इज ड्रॉइंग conclusion. Now eighth step is final move to the eighth step is the report finding. That means you are finally telling it to the world what you have research and what is the conclusion of your research. So जेव्हा आपण thesis लिहिणार किंवा कोणता पेपर प्रेझेंट करणार असाल, so this paper presentation and this writing comes under the eighth step, which is a report finding. So thank you.
Okay. Any question from audience? हनुमान,
सर
सध्या जे प्रेझेंटेशन दिलात तो जर तुला रिसर्च करायचा असेल तर त्यासाठी कोणती मेथड तू यूज करशील रिसर्चची? हा
पहिले म्हणजे याच्यावर म्हणाल म्हणजे प्रेझेंटेशन म्हणजे जनरल
प्रेझेंटेशन साठी सध्या जो प्रेझेंटेशन मध्ये सांगितलं ना, तो संजय लीला बन्सालीच्या पिक्चर बद्दल तुला रिसर्च करायचा आहे.
हा,
तर त्याच्यामध्ये तू कोणता रिसर्च अप्लाय करशील? क्वांटिटेटिव्ह अप्लाय करशील का क्वालिटेटिव्ह करशील?
क्वालिटेटिव्ह करेल सर, क्वांटिटेटिव्ह करेल सर,
क्वांटिटेटिव्ह. ठीक आहे सर.
बरं हे हनुमंत, are you prepare these slides on your own or you may copy from elsewhere?
हा,
नाही सर मी स्वतः केलं सर.
नक्की?
हो सर.
Can I check on the internet?
म्हणजे इंटरनेट सर मी माहिती शोधली सर.
नो प्रॉब्लेम, बट माहिती जरी घेतली असेल पण कॉपी जशाच तशा केल्या का तुम्ही इंटरनेट?
जास्तच इफेक्टिव्ह वाटताय सर.
हा
हा
नाही सर नाही.
नक्की.
हो सर हो.
ओके, कारण प्लॅगरिझम चेकचे सॉफ्टवेअर आहेत आपल्याजवळ.
हो सर.
सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये टाकून बघू. यांना काय करा सर, प्रत्येकाला सांगा स्लाइड झाले ना नंतर प्रेझेंटेशन
नाही, ते
सबमिट करा.
आपण अपलोड करून घेणार आहे सर. नंतर त्यांचं स्लाइड आपण चेक करू सगळ्यांच्या.
हो बरोबर आहे.
आपल्याला आपण त्यांना लिंक देणार आहे आणि त्या लिंक मध्ये आपण ते सगळे पीपीटीज अपलोड करणार आहेत आपल्याला. ओके
ओके.
ठीक आहे. ओके, थँक्यू हनुमंत.
Sir, I am ready.
Okay. Now the next participant is Tuba. Tuba.
Yes, sir.
Hanuman, please stop sharing. Tuba?
Yes, sir. Sir, screen is open now.
Yes.
Myself is Tuba Simrin Khanam. I am research scholar from Science College. Now my presentation topic is use tables in research.
Your screen is not visible.
Okay, sir. Okay. Screen visible, sir. Share. So screen is visible now. Hello.
Yes.
Myself is Tuba Simran Khanam. I am research scholar from Science College. My research topic is use of tables in research. Table. What introduction? Tables is the source use of the complex and simple form in research, and the table charts used for commonly presentation information graphically. Uh, the purpose of the tables is generating tables, charts, or graphs is express data in a clear and accurate manner. Text is a frequently have a graphs, tables, and charts included that show the patterns or relationship and to report finding forms their research. They can offer a quick and visual representation for trends and data changes. Tables is used can be found in a research text, company documents, and newspapers, articles, reports that is for public. People must be use graphs and tables to display or interrupt data in a wide variety of job. Next, a good tables having some qualities that are listed in below. In a general heading, should be written in a singular form. For example, the good should be used in the columns that represent the object.
Hello, Tuba. Hello. You are not audible. Tuba.
हॅलो.
Hello, Tuba. You are not audible. Please continue.
ये स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं होगी, जरा यहाँ से स्क्रीन शेयर करना पड़ेगा मुझे।
Join. पहले ज्वाइन करो, पहले बैक लो, व्हाट्सएप जाओ, इसको कहाँ हो?
Tuba, your screen is visible.
Yes.
You just present your presentation. Tuba.
रिपीट करना पड़ता है।
Hello, Tuba ma'am.
Sir, I think this would confuse. Next पुढचा घेऊ का?
नाही, थांबा एक मिनिट. तुबा. हॅलो. तुबा. Hello.
नेटवर्क इश्यूचा प्रॉब्लेम वाटतो.
हाँ नेटवर्क चा
क्या यार एंटिंग के जाना था लेट भी आज.
Who is next? Hello, Tuba. Are you there? Tuba. Jadov? Nikita?
Yes.
Are you
Hello.
ready?
Sir, I am ready.
Okay.
सर लाइट जाने से सर वाईफाई डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया सर. कैन आई
Okay.
रिपीट सर?
Okay, no problem. हाँ थांबा जाधव यांना करू द्या.
ओके
Yes,
सर.
sir.
पूजा थांबा. हाँ तुबा प्लीज
सर
स्टार्ट युअर.
प्लीज. ओके ओके सर. ओके सर.
Hello, sir. कौन? हॅलो.
हाँ हेलो.
हा यस.
हा सर कोण करत आहे ते? मॅडम करत आहेत का?
हाँ तुबा
हो हो
तुबा
हो.
मॅम करताय.
किंवा मॅम करतायत. थांबा.
येस येस.
हेलो सर स्क्रीन is visible now?
No, no, ma'am. No.
ओके सर. ओके सर. एक मिनिट. सर आफ्टर 5 minutes.
हाँ हेलो.
हेलो सर.
हाँ
कैन
बोलिए.
आई जॉइन आफ्टर 5 minutes सर?
नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
सर
ओके
5
मॅम. ओके
मिनट
मॅम. नो प्रॉब्लेम. नो प्रॉब्लेम. नो
ओके
प्रॉब्लेम.
सर.
नेक्स्ट जाधव निकिता.
येस सर.
स्टार्ट.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My screen is visible.
No,
No,
no.
no.
सर ते शेअर केल्यानंतर स्क्रीन ऑप्शन वर करायचं ना.
हा शेअर
हो.
स्क्रीन.
आता येते का सर?
येस येस.
हा स्क्रीन दिसतेय, फक्त प्रेझेंटेशन ओपन करा. ठीक आहे, स्टार्ट करा.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Nikita Jadhav, and my topic is research, and I want to explain the types of research. First of all, we see what is research. Research is defined as the creation of new knowledge. We know research is made up of two words, that is re and search. That means re means again and again, and search means find something new. So, research in dictionary definition, research is a careful investigation, inquiry through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. It is a journey of discovery. Many people said research means search, and you will get solution. Or in other words, research means gaining the knowledge, acquiring the knowledge. It is nothing but research. Research, what is meant by research? Research means identify any problem and analyzing the problem and giving the solution. So we will see the what is the types of research. First type is descriptive research. Descriptive research means that type of research in which include only description of something, description of the state of affairs as it exists at present. In this type of research, we observe and describe something and explain it as it is. That type of research it called descriptive research. For example, ice cream brand Amul launched the variety flavor of ice cream. Then to understand what flavor people preferred, they can use this type of descriptive type of research. Second, features research. This type of research has no control over the variables. Only report has happened or what is happening. That's why in the laboratory research and experimental research, this type of research we cannot use. Second type of research is analytical research. In this type of research, use facts or information already available and analyze this to a critical evaluation of the material. For example, it can look into why the value of Japanese yen has decreased. This is so that an analytical study can consider how and why question. Researcher used already existing information for this type of research. Second type of research is applied research. This type of research is used in day-to-day life. This applied research means to find a solution for an immediate problem facing a society, industrial business. Means in our day-to-day life problems is solving by this type of applied research. Applied research is a non-systematic way of finding solution to specific research problem or issue. Why it called non-systematic? Because it goes straight and finding solution. Examples: research to identify social, economics, or political trends that may affect a particular institution. Marketing research, evaluation research. It is very important for our day-to-day life because it helps organization find real-world solution to specific problem while also increase their output and productivity. Second type is fundamental research, mainly concerned with generalization and with the formulation of theory. Fundamental research is also known as basic research. Pure research is designed to expand knowledge in a specific area. The goal of fundamental research to improve theories focuses on theoretical concept and fundamental principles. For example, nuclear magnetic resonance machine to determine structure of chemicals. NMR machine is used for firstly used for only the only know the chemicals, but after research on this NMR machine, scientists realized that NMR machine is hooked up with computer. Then we use it to make MRI means magnetic resonance imagery. MRI takes the picture of bones. Third type is quantitative research. Quantitative research based on the quantitative measurements applicable to phenomena that can expressed in the terms of quantities. That means quantitative research, it deals with the number, logic, and object sense. Focus on numeric and unchanging data and detail. Best example of quantitative research is share market. In the share market, if you want to research about the changing of graph of share market company, then we use quantitative type of research. The basic method used to investigate numerical data called statistic. Another example is 1 to 10 years children use mobile. Then we can survey parents is okay with this use of mobile of children. That is the quantitative survey method is included in quantitative research method. Another type is qualitative research method. It involves non-numerical collecting and analyzing non-numerical data. For example, text, video to understand concept, opinion or experiments. Examples: reason for human behavior, motivation research, sentence completion test, story completion test, etc. Another type of research is attitude opinion research. Research designed to find out how people feel or what they think about a particular subject matter is also a qualitative research. Attitude and opinion research is also the type of qualitative research. And this is all about the opinion and attitude of people. Fourth one is a conceptual research. Conceptual research is related to theory or some abstract ideas, generally used by philosophers and thinkers to develop new concepts to reiterate existing ones. Conceptual research is defined as a conduct by observing and analyzing already present into or a given topic. It does not conduct any particular practical. It is related to abstract concept or ideas. For example, stress of student during a university semester. Another one type of research is empirical research and experimental type of research. Empirical research based on exuberance and or observation alone, often without considering already exciting system and theory. Examples are human behavior, and features of empirical research is get facts at first hand. Another type of research is one-time research or longitudinal research. One-time research is confined to a single time period, and longitudinal research is carried out on over several time period. For example, universe research, galaxy research is carried out from several time period. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Nikita.
Sir, I'm ready.
Sir, I am ready.
Now today's session is over now. You will give your seminars in next session.
So may I?
No one is there. So
सर कल हॉलीडे है शायद ना?
हाँ, कल नहीं देना है, परसों रहेगा सेमिनार.
ओके सर, लेट जाने से वाईफाई टोटल बंद हो गया था सर.
Okay, no problem. You will continue on Wednesday.
ओके सर.
वेनेझुएला टायमिंग काय असेल?
टायमिंग सांगतो ना मी तुम्हाला. तुम्ही रेडी राहा.
ठीक आहे.
कोणाचे नाव घेतलं तर रेडी राहायचं. आज आता सरांनी सकाळी 3-4 जणांचे नाव घेतले, कोणीच रेडी नाही आहे. ओके. So thank you one and all. I must express my gratitude towards Dr. Gaikwad sir, who is sparing his valuable time for observing the seminars. And I'm also thankful to Dr. Satish Khawle, who is acting here as an external examiner. So thank you very much. I'm also thankful to all the participants who has presented their PPTs in a very nice and way. They have prepared very nicely. I also request to next participants, please prepare your PPTs and present in a very nice ways. It is an important platform for you, because if you are prepared very accurately and very enthusiastically, it is very much helpful for your next career, because you have to present your project work or your PhD work at every 6 months. There are progress report presentations are there, and you have to present your progress report before the college committee. I am very much thankful to all the participants. So thank you very much.
सर उद्या आहे का सर?
नाही, उद्या नाही, उद्या हॉलिडे आहे.
ओके सर,
दसरा.
ठीक आहे सर.
So thank you. Sir Gaikwad sir, can we stop here?
सर स्टॉप.
Sir थांबायचं इथं?
हो, थांबू सर, आज काही अडचण नाही. बाकीचे आपण परवाच्या दिवशी बघू.
ओके, ठीक आहे.
सर हॅपी दशरा सर.
ओके, थँक्यू.
सेम टू यू.
सर्वांना दसऱ्याच्या शुभेच्छा.
हॅपी दसरा सर.
Okay, thank you. So I will end the meeting to all.